everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne Finch. Hi! In today's video, I'm doing a little clothing haul. I haven't done one of these in a long time and I don't normally do them, but I'm leaving for Croatia. Peep the vlog channel and the Instagram for some updates over there. I got a ton of new clothes and I just thought I wanted to show you. So I'm gonna show you. These could be school outfits, they're comfy outfits, they're classy outfits, they're cute. My whole style is like comfy but cute. Like I have to be comfortable. I love loungewear and like athleisure clothes. These are more like cutesy clothes, but they're also super comfortable. So all the clothes that I got today are from Princess Polly. They're one of my favorite stores. It's actually an Australian clothing company, but you can order it here in the US and you can actually get 20% off your order with my code, which is right here, AdrienneXO, and that lasts for 2 months after when this video is posted. And without further ado, I'm just gonna like show you the items and try them on. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this like silk dress. It is so comfy. Like the material is just so soft and like almost cold, which I feel like for Croatia will be super nice because it's gonna be pretty hot there, so I'm gonna want like breathable comfy things, and this just feels like literal silk. It feels so good. So we have these like ties at the top, so the straps are obviously adjustable, which is super nice. I think it actually adds a cute little flair that there's like a little bow up there, so this is cute. Another cool thing about dresses like this is I feel like you can layer them over like t-shirts or long sleeve shirts. You can wear them with like combat boots or heels. You can dress them up or down, which I think is awesome. I got this in a US 4, so we're gonna try it on. All right, here is this dress. Excuse the wrinkles, I obviously haven't steamed it yet. It's super comfy. It's very flattering. I like how it feels and fits, and I of course like untied these and made them the right level that I wanted. The only thing is that there is this like lining right here, I think to just make it a little bit thicker right here, but I actually might cut this out because I don't really like this line right here. But other than that, I really like how this looks. Super cute. All right, next is this pair of shorts. I just really can't go wrong with like jean shorts, and I saw this pair online so many different times and thought about getting them, and then I finally pulled the trigger. I just thought they were super cute and different a little bit. So they're these jean shorts, but they have this little like cinched waistband situation. I think they're called like paper bag, I don't know, something paper bag shorts, denim paper bag shorts. And fun fact, I actually ordered these once and they came in the wrong size, so I finally got the right size. So these are just cute. I feel like you can wear them with a belt, you can wear them with a crop top or a flowy top. The only thing I'm gonna have to check out is like how my little booty looks in these shorts, but I think it'll be good. I also got these shorts in white, which I'll show you in a second. So let's see how they look. These are the denim shorts. They fit way better than I expected. I actually really like them. I just love this like thing at the top, the cinchedness. It's just super cute. So I'm a big fan. All right, so next is the white pair in the exact same style. So this is the white pair. It's still denim material, same like roughly situation at the top, but it does give you belt loops so you can put a belt with them. I'm wondering if these are gonna fit the same way. These are also a US 4, same with those. I'm pretty sure everything I got was a 4. I do get nervous like sitting places and getting my butt all dirty, but whatever, that's what bleach is for, right? So these are super cute. There's also like a literal elastic waistband. I don't know, I just feel like that helps to feel a little bit more secure, and again, you can wear a belt with them, which is nice. All right, so here's what these shorts look like. They're kind of loose, but like I'm kind of a fan. You can wear them with basically anything, with any type of shoe, and they just kind of roll up in the bottom. They're really comfortable. That's the nice thing. And I feel like I can wear it with a belt, without a belt. Yeah. All right, next is one of my favorite pieces, and I've been wanting to get something like this for a long time and I just haven't, but I've seen them be super popular lately. So not only is leopard print like super in style right now, but I feel like also so is this style of skirt. So this is just like a medium length skirt, which normally I feel like would be really awkward and not cute on me. But lately this style has just been really catching my eye because I feel like it's a little bit more fitted at the top and then it kind of flows out, but not super flowy. Like I don't think I like the really flared skirts. This one I'm hoping is just like a little bit more fitted. It's also that really soft silky kind of feel, and this is just so cute. I mean, look at this pattern. You can wear it with like a white shirt, crop top, really anything. And you can dress this up or down, which I really love. So this is also a US 4 and we're gonna try this on. All right, as predicted, I am absolutely obsessed with this skirt. It is so cute. It's fitted like just perfectly because it's kind of like tighter on the top, but then it still flows out. And I feel like I could wear this with sneakers or like heels. I'm so happy with how it fits. All right, next is a cute flowy little top. So it looks like this. It's like olive green. I love this style. I think it's so cute. I'm just gonna need to figure out what to wear underneath it because I feel like I'm not very blessed in the upper region. And so I just need to figure out like how to make it look good with like a bralette underneath or something like that. But I really love this color. I just think it's really pretty. Again, this is very breathable and flowy. So anything high-waisted, I feel like you'd be able to like wear this to school with something underneath like a cami or a bralette and with like high-waisted pants. But obviously in the summer you could wear this with a swimsuit underneath or anything else really. All right, here is this shirt. I still don't fully know what to wear underneath it because it's a little bit open, but it's so cute. I love the flowiness. It's super comfy. The color is adorable. I'm a big fan. You really could wear this with anything. I feel like I keep saying that about everything, but I really do love this. And on the topic of shirts, I'm also wearing this shirt that I got from Princess Polly. So I'm just wearing it with this necklace that I also got, which I'll show you in a second, and a bralette. I'm not wearing high-waisted pants, so it's obviously a little bit of skin is showing, but I think that this pattern is so pretty. You just tie it right here in the middle, and it's very breathable, it's very flowy. Like in Croatia, even if I'm sweating, I feel like I won't really mind and it won't show. But I think that it's so cute with the little red accent roses. And then the back is just the same. So I'm like a huge fan of this shirt, and I feel like they have a lot of shirts that are kind of in the same style, which I love. So yeah, next here's another purchase that I'm very excited about. Actually, I'm pumped about literally every single one of these purchases. I just feel like I really nailed it with this selection. So I got these linen pants, and I do feel like pants are very hit or miss, especially with me. I feel like certain pants are like super flattering and then others are just not at all. But I got these linen pants. They're white and they have kind of this tie at the top, and then they're literally just flowy all the way down. They're a little bit flare-legged, but they look so soft, and I'm really hoping these fit really well because they're so breathable. So these are a US 4. I'm really hoping these fit me because I really love them. I think they're super cute. All right, here goes nothing. Please fit. I like these too much. Oh no, they feel tight. Oh man. Okay, bad news. The pants are so cute, but they're too tight. They will not zip. And on the topic of pants that are flowy that you can wear with anything, I got another pair, and I've been really trying to find some plaid pants lately and just haven't found ones that I've liked, or they're all from like other stores where the sizing is a little bit different, not to call out any specific brand. So anyway, I saw these and thought they were so cute. Again, they're just like these flowy pants. These ones are a little bit cropped, so they cut off kind of like at your ankle, which I also think is cute. Some people aren't a fan of that. I love that. And the thing that I was the most surprised about when I opened these is how breathable and light these are as well. They're so soft and just lightweight material, so they look really solid, which is awesome. You can like totally wear these to a business meeting if you wanted, or to school or anything, but they're super lightweight, so they're perfect for like warmer weather or cooler weather if you put on like socks and boots. But I'm just a big fan of like the pants look lately, and I realized I don't have very many like unique pairs of pants besides jeans. I pretty much wear jeans and yoga pants like every single day, mostly yoga pants. Here are these pants. It's so confusing. These fit me perfectly and the white ones didn't, but they're the same size. So they just cut off like right at the ankle. They're so comfortable, and I feel like they're so flattering and look really good. So I'm a huge fan of these pants. I love them. Next, I got this top that, I'm not gonna lie, kind of made me laugh when I took it out of the bag because it quite literally just looks like a piece of fabric. So it's this snakeskin tank top, but it literally just looks like a cloth with like straps coming off, which essentially is what it's like. But when you actually put it on the correct way, it looks super cute. This is probably not something you'd wear to school unless you have like a cardigan over it, but I figured this would be really cute for maybe with those white linen pants, or like for going out in Croatia, or just like a beachy dinnery look. So basically the straps cross in the back and you stick your arms through, and it pretty much just has like one strap in the back. So it's a little more risque, but I think it's super cute. All right, so here is this snakeskin top. It is very small and revealing, but I feel like maybe for a night out it would be super cute. There's literally nothing on the back besides this one strap, but I feel like for summer and for like, again, going out or just like being outside, it's pretty cute. Next, I have been eyeing this dress on the website for like literally months, and I just never bought it. I don't know why, but finally I was like, okay, I need this. So it is just this red little dress. It's so cute. The pattern's so cute. It's a little bit short. It's pretty flowy, and it has these like arm little sleeve things. It's strapless, but it has these little flowy arm things. I'm worried it might be a tiny bit too short, but in the back it does tie, so like I can loosen these straps if I can. So we're gonna try this on. I'm really hoping it works because I actually ordered another red dress from there that was too small. I'll actually show you that right now. So I had ordered this one before. It's just like red polka dot and I actually didn't love the way that it fit me, so I'm actually returning it, but it's fine because I really like this pattern better anyway. So I'm really hoping that this fits me. Let's try it on. All right, thank goodness this fits me so well. Here is the red dress. I absolutely love it. I've seen people wear it kind of both like off the shoulder like this and on the shoulder. I'm not sure which one I like the best, but then look how cute the back is. It's like crisscross, still have the tag on. I'm a big fan. This is so comfy, flattering, breathable. Everything. All right, and last but not least, before I show you a couple accessories, I got this really cute, like very unique looking sweater set. So I've been like obsessed with sets recently, so like matching tops and bottoms. So what this is, and I'm not bringing this to Croatia because it's definitely too warm, but this is like a knit sweater skirt. So it's like white, a little bit off-white. So it's a skirt that's high-waisted, and then on top, it's a matching cropped but like baggy sweater with long sleeves. So it's kind of one of those sweaters where the sleeves are cinched at your wrist, but then this part's kind of like loose and baggy. Super cozy, super comfy. I could also see myself just wearing this sweater on its own, or vice versa, the skirt on its own. But I just think this will make for a super cute little set, like especially for photos, but also for life, duh. And since I do live in California, it's perfect for like winter because the winter is never actually very cold. So this would like keep me warm, but also be cute and also be not too hot. So let's try this on. Okay, I am obsessed with this set. First of all, this is the comfiest thing ever. And I also just think it's so cute. The skirt is very, very flattering on the booty. And then the sweater just matches perfectly, and it's like this cute flowy situation. Oh, I'm in love with it. I love it, I love it. All right, so that is all the clothes, and then I got 3 accessories. The first one is this necklace. So this is actually one necklace, and it comes with this chain and this like little lock. I just thought this lock look is so, so cute. So this just comes in one, it clasps in the back, and I really like it. And next, I got these gold hoops. So these are just some thin gold hoops that I thought looked really good with this necklace kind of combination. And I lost my pair of like gold hoops. I lost one of them, which is always the most annoying thing because you have one and you like don't want to throw the one away, but the one is useless without its mate. So I just bit the bullet and got some new ones. So I really like these, they're very cute. And then the last accessory that I got are these like silver hoop earrings, but they have these little dangles coming down. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you guys want to go shop on Princess Polly on the website, you guys can get 20% off by using my code AdrienneXO, and that will be for 2 months from this post date. You can also get free 2-day shipping for any order in the US over $50, which is super neat. Super cool, super awesome. And they also offer using AfterPay, which means basically instead of paying for everything up front, you can pay in 4 installments with no interest, which is awesome. So yeah, check it out. I'll link it down below if you guys want to see what I got. I will link all the items, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Can't wait to show you all of my Croatia content and vlogs and Instagram photos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!